Yo, what up guys, your boys YadLT, and today I bring you this gaming PC build. As my first gaming PC build I've ever built. So let's get started with the parts using a EVGA 430 power supply, very good one. 1 terabyte P300 Toshiba. Make sure you get the P300 one because it's very nice and very compatible. Ballistics port, memory, 8 gigs of this stuff, really good, $65 on Amazon, and of course an Intel Pentium G4560 3.5 gigahertz. You can also overclock this with hyper-threading, very good. For the motherboard, we're using an Asus B250M series, and this is the HDV, and it's really good, to be honest with you. And for the graphics card, let me get this here. I'm using a Gigabyte Radeon R7370, and for the case, we're using a CUK Lineage.
Ain't nothing that could come in between me and my brothers. We all around if it's going down. It's just us, all for one. Yeah, you hearin' right, our business done. We disappeared to the night. Came up together, so we all down for the fight. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Family ain't nothing strong as that. And I'll be posted word as strong as that. Brothers by my side, city on my back. Real heroes, that's what the people want. They ain't born, gotta create them. Saying we gone soon as we save them. That's part of the plan. By my side, I'ma keep my brothers. Live or die, man, we need each other. When we fight together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. When we ride together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. When we fight together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. We can better any weather. Knock, knock, you about to get. Try to tell them you don't wanna go to war with us. We beat them, young riders, raised in the gutter, really started from the bottom. Hey, we all we ever had, we all we ever needed, and we undefeated. We be going hard and make it look easy. Give me the whole pie, real cheesy. I told you God no, but you might not believe me. She taking pictures for me, told her smile for me. Pass her off, I'm a real team player. Bandana on my face like a gangster. Knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. Knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. Knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. Knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked.